What's another sick prop? This looks really extreme.
A fixed gear bike has no gears and no brakes. It's got a direct drivetrain. Your feet are directly connected to the rear wheel. If the bike's moving, your feet are moving, and vice versa.
The first place you want to start with your gear ratio is the sound. See this? Listen to it. You hear that? That's bullshit.
Choosing a gear is the easiest way to personalize your fixed experience. A smaller cog or a larger chainring will make it much harder to stop, but will be better at higher speeds and downhills. Gear ratios can be defined in inches, how far the bike will move with one rotation of the pedals. Once your gear is on there, it's important to keep your bike clean. If your bike is covered in street filth, you might get dirt on your pants. If you prefer riding without pants, don't worry about the dirt. In fact, it adds character. Once your bike is all ready to go, you have to fuel your body. It's important to carbo load for maximum output on the streets. We recommend an energizing beverage. Drink fast enough and you might be able to hurl on cars that don't shoulder check.